All right, so we are jumping into our next bottle. Now this one is going to be the one that's a little bit more intense. It does take a little bit more steps, and it will require you to have some ingredients that might not be readily accessible in your home, but these are things that you're gonna wanna use, and you can always buy these ingredients online. We're going to start with this jar. We're not going to be writing a petition because this petition is the petition wouldn't serve us in what we're trying to do with this. This jar is meant to trap or to catch harmful or negative energies or spirits or just little nasty little things that are lingering around the space. You're gonna want to put in rusty nails or just pointy nails. If you don't have a rusty nail, I also have tacks here. You could put razor blades. Now these are going to serve to cut and puncture, penetrate these harmful energies, and also protect you against them, trap them inside of, nail them inside of the jar. So that's what we're going to be using these for. You will bless and activate all the things that you're going to be using in this blend. I'm just going to show you how to do this. So we have a rusty nail here that I purchased. I also have some other nails here that we're going to put in here, and some tacks. Just like sharp objects that we want in here. Whatever gets trapped in this will be trapped in here and pinned down, and it will be very irritating and frustrating, and any spell work or anything that someone's sending against you will get trapped in here and caught up in this. You can also use things that get tangled up. You can use chains or threads, knotted up threads and pieces of hair, or whatever the case may be. You can piss in this. You can do whatever you want to do in this. This is a little hardcore, so just know that when proceeding. Now we're going to bless and activate these nails to provide protection and to nail down any negative energies, negative entities, spirits, curses, black magic spells, or hexes, to pin them down, to sharply tack them into this jar and trap them in this jar that they cannot leave until we tell them to leave, until we destroy this jar. They are trapped in here, never to come out. What you're gonna want to put into these jars are things that are hot, things that are dominating, things that are poisonous, things that are meant to burn, singe, break, destroy. And so there's not going to absorb negative energy, like draw things in. So we're going to put in here belladonna. Belladonna is a poisonous plant, and I don't know if you guys know anything about this, but this is a sedative too, has sedative properties. It lulls a person to sleep while also poisoning them and killing it. So we want to kill off any negative energies or negative entities that may be trying to come in. We're going to put in cascalia powder. Same thing, protection, that once whatever entity or energies get trapped in here, that they were protected against them trying to come out and to attack. I'm going to put cayenne pepper. And I'm going to put quite a lot of cayenne. This is to break any negative energies off of you that may be in the space, and to burn, singe, and to dominate the negative energies, to clear them out. Next ingredient is burdock root. This is great for protection, breaking curses, hexes, and low vibrational energies. Poppy seeds. Poppy seeds are great for doing hexes and things like that because they provide confusion. It confuses the spirit. This is black salt. Now you can always make your own black salt, and I can do a video on how to make your own black salt, but I purchased this and I'm going to be putting some in here. This is going to absorb the negative energy. We're going to add in here dragon's blood, fiery wall of protection. We're going to add mugwort. Okay, mugwort is going to be for protection specifically against psychic attacks that anyone might be sitting or that may be lingering in the space, and any night terrors or anything that would try to attach itself to the subconscious mind and in dream state. Now I'm going to use this white sage in here. I'm using this white sage because this sage is really great for cleansing and clearing lower vibrational frequencies. Kind of has this get out, stay out vibration. Frankincense again, like I said. I'm going to add sea salt as well. We're also going to kind of cover this almost as like a way of masking what's actually in here. I'm going to add garnet because garnet is going to serve to provide a protection element as well as serve to do this kind of fiery element that will clear out whatever harmful energies may be in the space. We're also going to add in our tiger's eye, same thing for protection. I'm going to jar this off. Okay. And now I'm going to take a black chime candle, or you can give it a pillar candle, whatever you have. This is all I have right now. And I'm going to use some protection oil because I actually don't want to touch this. It's pretty fiery, has a lot of really crazy ingredients on here, and I don't want these to get on my hands. You can also use gloves, but if you're like me, you're gonna do it the difficult way. So we're gonna stick that to this jar. And we're gonna bless and activate that this candle send its protection energy around me from the evil eye, from evil spirits, evil entities, black magic spells, curses, hexes, or jinxes, that they would pass through this jar, be completely trapped and destroyed. With full faith, Ashe, so it is. Light this motherfucker up. Now this is going to be here on the altar. You can put this on your spiritual space or whatever you may have, and let this burn down all the way. So this energy of protection goes down into the jar, and this is now a working that is activated by the candle magic and the energy of this. And then you can set this strategically. I'd put this underneath a bed, I put this in doorways, I put this in window seals, different places around your space. You can actually bury this in your front or backyard as well, places where you know energies are going to be able to come in and get through and may interfere with you, spaces that maybe have a lot of negative energy or harsh energies or just things that don't feel good. I'd put this jar in those spaces and create a bunch of jars that will be strategically placed around my home for this purpose. Now this is going to be able to be activated and work immediately after the candle has burnt down, and you can use it and store these. If I'm going to be getting rid of this, I would literally take it to the crossroads, or I would take it to a cemetery or someplace where things don't grow and where that is far away from where I live and where I'm at. I don't want these energies anywhere near me. It's not the same as doing a protection jar for your house or for your kids or for your family, for yourself or your pets or whatever the case may be, where you can just kind of take it out and recharge the herbs and the energy. This is something that you want to destroy. You don't want this energy anywhere near you once it's done what it's done. You don't want this around you. You don't want to throw this away in your garbage can and let it sit in your, if you know that the garbage is coming that day and it's going to take it to the garbage dump that day, perfect. Put it out there, throw it away, and let the garbage man take away all that negative energy right where it belongs, in the motherfucking trash. You feel me? Yes. Okay. And there you have it, you guys. This is how you make your protection jar. Again, like I said, you're going to want to let these candles burn down all the way, but these are some easy and simple ways of protecting your space. I really, really love these. They're super easy to make. You can buy these mason jars and you can make them as small as you want, as big as you want. You can fill them with different herbs and different ingredients that are going to be in alignment with what it is that you desire when it comes to protection, when it comes to protecting yourself, your space, your loved ones, and your belongings. So comment down below and let me know what you think about this, what you guys did to kind of transform it and make it your own. And if you have any questions, you can always find me on IG at Waterbearer Healing. This is it, you guys. Thank you guys so much for watching, and I will see you in my next video. Be blessed. 'Cause I wanna stay high.